It's October 16th, 2022. Here you can see I clean up the tomato, so it's not that messy. Let's start the update over here with the lavender. You can see more new flowers have opened, and also more new flowers are forming, still flowering. The grape leaves are turning yellow now. Here are the blueberry plants. You can see the leaves are turning red. Green onion looks very healthy still. Here's the rhubarb. Looks like the growth has halted. Mulberry leaves are turning yellow now. Leaf has started falling. Asparagus leaves are also turning yellow. Here's the raspberry. Leaves are also changing colors. This is the ground cherry. The plant looks really healthy. If you look closely at this one, you can see the tiny flower buds forming. Here's the moss rose. The flowers are getting smaller. And here's the Cuban sweet pepper. This one is still maturing, turning red. This one is pretty much all red. Probably can harvest this one next week. And other than that, there's still a few green ones. They're all pretty big. Over here's the shishito peppers. There's only a few left. I don't think it's flowering anymore, so this will be the last few peppers. Jalapeno peppers, a few more forming over here, and here's a big one. As for the tomato, yeah, there's still some tomatoes forming. Some of them are turning red. And right here you can see the harvest I did today. Some raspberries, and here's some tomatoes. Here's the mini oncidium. You can see the flowers have opened. The other mini oncidium pot has not opened yet, so I'll keep you posted. Once those are open, I'll also include it in the update.